And welcome to the super fun, awesome, happy time pedal multi-tool modulation. Here's a tool, modulation tool, Multimod Modulation Multitool pedal show. My name is Gabor.
Yo, what's up?
That went well.
You should say tool more.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Alex. We're going to check out this Caline pedal, see what it does today. Probably say tool some more. Please hit like and subscribe on the channel. Give us a thumbs up. Ding the bell.
Please do.
Comments below.
Please do.
Stuff.
Yes. So, and before we even start, it was sent to us by Caline. So this is what you would call a sponsored video full of lies.
Yes, right. Corruption and is ripe here.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, the Multimod Modulation Multitool. You should be quite familiar with this kind of stuff.
So,
It's jokes. Basically, it's 7 different modulation types. You've got this rotary encoder, and you've got the 3 knobs up the top that will give you different noise within each of those modulation sounds. And you have a lovely soft switch and a blue light. And as we all know, because some guy mentioned once, blue lights are not good. He doesn't like blue lights.
oh,
It's the wrong color light,
not for you.
Not for you.
Thanks for watching that. So to hear it, we go through a Mozztronics Amp Switcher, OTS Mini 20 head, set clean, 2-nose Torpedo Captor X, from cab sims, a little bit of reverb. And should we hear clean tone with my Larrivee?
And what kind of strings are you using on this Larrivee? Do you possibly have 6 Mexican willies on it?
This is a great start to a video. Download Mexican lottery brand, Reverend Willie strings.
Here's Mexican willies.
Giving these a try, these are kind of like low tension 10s.
Yeah. That's the safest.
They are.
In Mexico. No
safest
CDs.
and cheapest. Fine electric guitar strings.
Yeah.
So this was clean tone. Sounds like
this sound like.
Rubbish.
Okay, let's start off with the chorus, which is all the way to the left. Classic lustrous shimmering chorus effect. That's from the manual. So everything at 12 o'clock. So we've got, what is it? Shift, mix, and depth. It's a bit hard to read, but mix and depth are sort of, all in a name. The mix is how much of it you want mixed in with your clean signal. Depth is usually how intense the effect is. Shift is mostly the speed, but with some of them it's also the pitch, which we'll get to. So at the moment it's the speed of the modulation. And everything at 12 o'clock sounds like this. It's a nice chorus, no bad settings. If you turn it, it's not quite fast enough for vibrato, but you do have a vibrato on here, so it makes a difference with the mix all the way up and everything up. And it has a bit of a sort of rampy modulation to it.
Let's go super fast.
It's not a total sine, it's a bit
pulsy,
it's pulsy.
Yeah, cool.
It's nice. Next, Flanger, or Flanger, or Flanger. Sweeping modulation from subtle to jet plane. Nice.
Metallic-y.
Yeah, nice modulation sounds. Phaser. A rich, deep, swirling modulation sound. Again, that's just from the manual that's down here.
Kind of a cool gooey sound to play.
It gets fast very quick. I mean, you go. This is at about 11 o'clock. All right. Doubler. Create a classic doubling effect for the fattest riffs imaginable. Now with this one, shift is the pitch as well. So not so much a pitch, it's more the distance, I think, how far away the time delay between. Because even if you have all that up, if you go this way,
that obviously works better with some distortion for full 80s rock and roll. Oh, here we go.
that sounded cool.
Yeah, interesting.
Okay, vibrato, number 5.
Sure.
From a soft warble to a throaty throb.
Oh, everyone loves that, right?
Pitch, it's volume vibrato.
So like Fender.
Yes, yeah. Although that sounds pitch.
That's fit. Yes.
But it's just when you do the mix all the way up. Oh, mix all the way down, it's kind of like a tremolo, but mix all the way up, it's. I mean, mix anyway else is sort of whatever pitch vibrato. Yeah, cool. Sorry, I was wrong. Nice vibrato.
Yeah, it's cool. It doesn't get too seasick.
Because let's see how fast it goes. Next, tremolo.
I try.
From a gentle pulsating throb, with his Mexican buddies, to a helicopter chop. It rhymes too.
Wow.
Actually, on all honesty, they all sound pretty good. All the sound effects on it. I mean, that's quite nice actually with the depth all the way up. So it's you know, full on off, choppy tremolo, but then having a mix in a bit. So it's quite a pretty that sound. It's quite pretty. It's a nice trem. Oh, and lastly, pitch. A range of multiple overtones to your sound.
Sorry, do you want to have a play? Just realised.
Okay, I'll do the pitch one so you can make me go completely out of tune. I'm using my Fender modern Jazzmaster, made in Japan, with some 11 to 50. Where did I put the strings? Jim Dunlop, heavy core. Oh, that's all right. These are the heavy core strings. So this is the kind of string experiment we're doing. And unmultimodded, it sounds like this. So let's do a range of multiple overtones that you applied to my sound, Alex.
Okay.
Hang on, but now let's go for example, maybe up an octave.
Yep.
Is it polyphonic? That's all I'm getting at. And that's not quite an octave, is it?
That's Super Mario Brothers. Go down.
It's always with those where you got to find the right pitch. It's always an interesting. But I think with that sort of stuff, often if you do the kind of stuff that it's not meant for, oh, this is like a fine tune. Look, some of that sounded pretty cool. Maybe some delay. that way. Oh, okay. It's a 12-string vibe. What if we go to that an octave down? That's interesting. Let's come that way again.
Doesn't work if we both do it.
So if you're kind of a little bit off and do that, that's... I think that's that, like going up the octave with that a bit detuned. That sounds kind of cool with some delay. I think that sounds cool. What if we go all the way? I think you could do some cool stuff with it. All up, I think the sounds are pretty good.
It is neat box, yeah.
I mean, I believe around the sort of 50 US mark, maybe 70 Australian dollars, something like that.
You know, kangaroo dollars.
Kangaroo dollars. I mean, can't go wrong. Soft switch. It feels, the pots feel, they don't feel cheap.
Do the knobs feel good?
Knobs feel good,
Okay.
like your Mexican willies.
Sure. So, what do you guys think? Comments below. Do you like the Multimod Modulation Multitool?
Multitool. The MMM, Triple M.
Yep.
I
Yeah.
call it Triple M.
What do you think?
Well, actually, Quadruple M, because Multimod Modulation Multitool. The MMMT.
Stop saying
MMMT.
Stop saying M's.
The MMMT.
Links below to socials, podcast. Check them out.
I think that's what you should call it, the MMMT.
Thanks to Caline for sending this to us.
T. On that note.
Bye.
Thanks, Caline. See you. Bye.